Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off security keys on your account on Roblox easy and quick. First click here and now click settings. Now click security and here as you see you'll find security keys. Just click on it and it will be turned off. That's how to turn off security keys on your accounts on Roblox easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.